Hey there, what's going on YouTube? Video today that I want to do is more of a discussion video. I want to hear what your best excuse police officer interaction that you've had, more so focusing on traffic stops, stop for speeding or whatever, but if you have a different story that you want to share, that'd be great as well. I'll share one with you that my brother-in-law actually just recently experienced, but put it in the comments below. I just want to kind of get a laugh about what's going on when you have an excuse for a reason why you're speeding. So the other day, my brother-in-law was speeding down I-25. Not sure what the speed, he just said that he was going faster than what the posted limit was, but got stopped by a state trooper. The excuse that my brother-in-law gave him as the trooper walked up, he looks over and says, "These aren't the droids you're looking for." The trooper gave him a stone face, no reaction or anything like that, asked for his license, registration, and insurance, walked back to his car. Well, brother-in-law kind of figured, well, this trooper doesn't have a sense of humor. He's getting a ticket. A deserved ticket, but he was going to get a ticket. A few minutes later, the trooper ends up coming back, hands the registration, insurance, and driver's license back to my brother-in-law, and has a smile on his face, and basically says, I appreciate your humor and everything like that, but you really need to slow it down. He did get a warning, so in the end, it did make the trooper laugh, and he did get a warning out of it. But I just want to hear what excuses, honesty got you out of a ticket, excuse that got you out of a ticket, what you guys have done in the past in efforts to get out of a ticket for speeding or whatever it is that you did. Post them in the comments below. I'll see if I can pick, maybe the top 10 best excuses, and I'll put it together in an upcoming video. Anyways, thanks for checking out the channel, guys. Like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.